When precision and quality matter, turn to JD&C Welding Specialist, LLC. With decades of experience in the metal fabrication industry, we deliver custom solutions tailored to your project needs. We specialize in shearing and forming sheet metal, custom metal fabrication, stainless steel, pipe, structural elements, design and installation of steel buildings, fences, and architectural metalwork, precision piping fabrication and installations. Ready to start your next metal fabrication or welding project? Contact us today. Call 832-240-3014. Visit jdcweldingspecialist.com. JD&C Welding Specialist, LLC. Craftsmanship that stands the test of time.